Good morning, everyone. My name is Luis Carlos Rodriguez, and this is a video about how to use Blogger as an academic tool. So, I hope you enjoy the video and you learn a lot about Blogger. So, the first thing we have to do is go to Google and search for Blogger. Next, we are going to click on the first link that allows us to enter to the main page of Blogger. And remember that you have to have your Gmail user log in order to create your blog on the Blogger page. If you don't have your user in your laptop or in your personal computer, you must create an user on a Gmail account. Okay, so this is the main page of Blogger. There are some things that you must know about this page. So, first thing is that you can put a name on your main page of Blogger. In this case, my main page is named Actividades UNAD Luis Rodríguez. So this is the name that will show the website when you share your entrances or your blogs. Second, we have the list of blogs that you have created, and also you can modify them, watch them, or erase them. So this is a very useful tool for your blogs and all your entrances. Next, we have the Nueva Entrada button that allow to create a new blog or a new entrance to your website. So, this is the main page to create your own blog. The next, I am going to show you what are the main things about this page. So, first of all, we have our entrance title or our blog title that allow us to name our blog and identify it from the other blogs that we create. Next one, we have the text edition that is that bar with the blue things around them, and it allows us to modify the text in our blog. Next one, we have the entrance configuration that we are talking about later. We have our finish bar that we have the buttons of publish, save, preview, and close. So when we finish our blog, we can publish it, we can save it, we can preview it, or we can close it and we can erase it. Okay. And last one is our main page of the blog. So in this space we can write, we can upload images, we can upload videos, and this is the part when we create our blog. So in order that you know more about our text edition bar, I'm going to explain you the main things of the text edition bar. First one, we have font. Font is the type of letter that we are going to use in our blog. We have different types of letters. So we have Arial, Courier, Georgia, Helvetica, Times, Trebuchet, and Verdana. Next one, we have our size of the text that we can choose between smallest and biggest, going through small, normal, and big. Next one, we have the black bottom that puts a little bit darker our text. We have italics, that italics puts the chosen text on italics. We have underline that puts a line under our text, and we have cross out that puts a line between all our text. Also, we can play with the color of the letter and the background color of the letters with these two buttons right here. The first one on the left is going to give us the color of the letter, and the second one on the right is going to give us the background of our letters. Okay, next one, we have the multimedia bar, that's right here, and this bar allow us to put some links, to add some pictures, add videos, and add special characters such as emojis and all that stuff. Okay, and finally we have the text bar that allow us to do some changes to the text about the indent, the spaces between letters, the correct assignment, the quotation, some list, uh, some grammatical errors, and all that stuff. So when we have understand the text bar, we can start to write. Okay, so I write some things in here to do it as an example. So I have how to make a blog, and Blogger is a really useful tool to create blogs. Okay, so remember that we talk about the color and the background color of the letters. Okay, so color of the letters, we have the color blue, and the background is on yellow. Okay, and also we can see the difference between the biggest type of font and a normal type of font. Okay, so next one, when we add some pictures, when we click on it, we can see that there's a little menu that replies from the image. So in this little menu we can choose how big we want our picture. We can choose the size of our picture. We can choose the alignment of our picture, and we can choose if we want to erase the picture. So we can choose between small, medium, big, extra big, and original size. Okay, on the alignment part we can choose to go left, to go center, or go right. And also we can add some text to the picture when we can quote the the main source of the picture, and also we can add some characteristics on the picture, and we can erase them. So in the first picture we have a normal size picture, and on the second one that is on the bottom of the screen we have how big can be the picture. Okay, okay, next one, we are talking about the settings of our blog. First one, we have labels. Labels are the general topics that you are going to talk in your blog. So, for example, if you're going to talk about how to use Blogger, you can put in your labels education, formation, academic tools, virtual tools. It's all that the viewer can use to find your blog. Okay, her next one is the program settings, so you can put your blog that publish in one date and 1 hour that you would set, or you can publish when you finish your blog. Okay, Next one is links. Links is about the link of your blog. You can do it customized or you can do it automatically. Okay. Next one is the position about your blog, and you can use this tool to position your blog in the city or the country that you are creating it. Okay. Next one is the general options that allow us to choose if we want to allow or not allow the comments, uh, how we can redact our blog, uh, how many spaces uh, we must have in each line of the text, and stuffs like that. So when we have our blog finished, we can save it, we can preview it, we can close it, or we can publish it. So right now we're going to publish our blog in the publicar button in order to publish our blog. When we publish our blog, we can see that uh, a new name is added to the list of our entrances. Okay, so right now we are going to the theme button or tema in order to change the aspect, the visual aspect of our blog. When we are in the theme window, a blogger shows us how is the blog viewing. So in this case, this is how my blog looks. And we can enter on customize window and we can see how is the blog, and we can change or modify the blog appearance. Okay, so in this case I'm going to change the blog viewer, and I'm going to show you how it's going to be. So I already changed the visual aspect of my blog, and this is now how it looks. Okay, and there's a lot of different themes to your blog, so you can choose whatever you want to, whatever you feel that is right when the topics that you're talking about, and whenever you want to show to the people that is going to look your blog. Okay, so when we have finished to modify the aspects of our blog, we can go again on the entrances window, and we are going to choose watch the the blog that we are going to share with the people that you want to share. So when we entered on watch screen, we can go directly on the blog, and on the mass bottom that is right over here, you can choose which way you want to share your blog, and then you can share with all the people that you want. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video. This is how you can use Blogger as an academic tool. I hope you learn a lot about that, and we'll see you in next time. Okay, thanks for watch.